And we're back on round 16, which is super duper lovely because we get to put in some more colour A, which is purple Bordeaux. And I think we're ready, don't you? We haven't had any of that for a while. Lovely straightforward round, nice and quick. So I'll show you what it looks like. So obviously we're going to work on our mandala with purple Bordeaux, crochet hook, scissors and bodkin. Now I feel like I can stop doing this, but now I've done so much of it, I can't stop because it will look all wrong. But so just go with me, okay? Go with me. Let's crack on. Right, this is what it's going to look like. See how gorgeous it is, bringing in the pink again. Or the dark pink. It's just lovely. I just need you to know, viewer, that I'm wearing a t-shirt that colour today. Look. Matches. I have to tell you, it's not my colour. I look terrible, but there we go. Right, yeah, perfectly lovely and straightforward round. Just double crochet all the way round. If you've got this far, you'll know what you're doing. So I'm not really sure why you're watching this. Are you expecting me to entertain you? I will tap dance quietly in the background if you wish. Oh, actually, I'm so professional now. I've got to set up. I can't show. I'm going to show you. Look. Stretch. There's my yarn bowl. So I've got my setup. I've got my yarn already set up in there. That's one of my yarn bowls. I sent Busby to find another one. I broke that one and I'm so sad. I've got another one. It's in a box somewhere because we've been decorating. Why am I telling you this? Let's move on. I'll let you know if we find it. I have a third yarn bowl, which is for best. Well, moving on anyway. Right, round 16. Joining colour A, which is purple Bordeaux, and we can join it into any stitch at all, and it's just a very simple double crochet, UK terms, but the only thing is, as usual, we're going through the back loops, and that is really as difficult as it gets. So nice opportunity potentially to practice weaving in your ends. If you haven't been doing that, super easy. Hold the end, put the hook through your stitch and under the end, pick up your yarn and complete your stitch. Do that again. Put your hook in, go under the end, pick up your yarn and go through. That's really all I can show you this time. You can do double crochet. It's UK terms again. It's back loop only again. So what have we learned? We've learned I've got 3 yarn bowls, one for best, one's broken, and I'm wearing a t-shirt that doesn't suit me, but it matches purple Bordeaux. Brilliant. Just like I feel like I've made it. I'm at the pinnacle of YouTube videos now. I don't know, I'll talk some nonsense. Right, look, do what you need to do. I'll whiz round here and we'll reconvene at the end, okay? And 96, and there we are. Look, so round and circular and perfect. See, it will be. Oh, it so will be, but we're right back at the beginning. I love that when you kind of reintroduce the colour that you haven't used for a while, it changes it all again, doesn't it? It's beautiful. Right, let's quickly do, I'm saying quickly, I've got a telephone meeting with John. So I've got to do it quick. He won't wait. Why should he? Right, so I'm going to snip my yarn. I've taken my hook out. I've kept that last stitch live. I know you know what we're doing by now. You're only watching this because you've got nothing else better to do, have you? Nor would I really. So, thread that needle. Going back to front through that stitch. Just pulling it tight. This colour's more difficult to show you, I think. I don't know why. It's something to do with lighting, isn't it? Right, I'm going to hide that stitch number 1, which is the chain. So I'm going to follow stitch number 2 and go under. And follow my line and put my needle right back where the yarn came out. And there we are. Gorgeous and beautiful and lovely, thank you for asking. Hello, how does your crochet look, Emma? Well, it's gorgeous and beautiful and lovely, thank you for asking. There you go. that, my darlings, was round 16.